Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 4 best washing machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. HAVA Portable Washing Machine, 0.8 cubic feet capacity mini washer and spin dryer. Fully automatic with 8 wash programs, hot wash options, and upward drainage. Space saving for apartments, dorms, and RVs. Brand, HAVA. Capacity, 0.8 cubic feet. Special feature, 4 water levels, 8 wash programs with hot wash options, child lock, delayed start, fully automatic functionality, upward drainage. Access location, top load. Finish type, stainless steel. Color, white. Cycle options, gentle, rinse and spin, heavy, colors, normal, quick, spin, tub clean. Material, stainless steel tub. Controls type, touch. Compact design. The HAVA portable washer only measures 16.5 by 17.9 by 28.5 inches.
Number 2. COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine. Twin tub, 26 pounds capacity laundry, 18 pounds washer, and 8-pound spinner combo with timer knobs. Built-in drain pump. Compact washer for home, dorm, apartment. Brand, COSTWAY. Capacity, 26 pounds. Special feature, high efficiency. Access location, top load. Finish type, gray. Cycle options, drain. Item weight, 33.5 pounds. Material, ABS polypropylene. This washing machine can't be 100% dry, only be 90% dry, and it needs to be hung in the sun to dry. Compact washing machine. This portable washing machine allows you to wash and spin clothes at the same time. It takes up little space in your room, making it perfect for apartments, dormitories, balconies, RVs, home, and more. 26 lbs large capacity. Our compact twin tub washing machine has a total capacity of 26 pounds. You can simultaneously put 18 pounds of clothes into the laundry tub and 8 pounds of clothes into the spin tub to save valuable time. In addition, the transparent lid allows for easy inspection of the washing-spinning process at any time. Number 3. Comfee Portable Washing Machine. 0.9 cubic feet compact washer with LED display, 5 wash cycles, 2 built-in rollers, space-saving full automatic washer. Brand, Comfee. Capacity, 0.9 cubic feet. Special feature, full automatic. Access location, top load. Cycle options, gentle, heavy duty, normal, rapid, soak. Item weight, 44.1 pounds. The full automatic washing machine equipped with heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, 5 programs, and 3 water levels. You are allowed to quickly start the machine the way you like. You are also welcome to customize your washing program by selecting load size, adding wash time, rinse time, and spin time. This top-load compact washing machine with the only 18.1 inch in width, 17.7 inch in depth, and 31.5 inch in height, this portable washer is able to be stored easily. You can store it in your cabinet, RV, dorm, or even bathtub. Even better, it comes with wheels and carries handles for easy movement. It is a perfect choice for small households with limited space and minimal laundry loads.
Number 4. Full automatic washing machine with LED display, 10 programs and 8 water level selections, 15.6 lbs for home, RV, camping, apartment. Capacity, 15.6 pounds. Color, gold. Brand, Axedo. Special feature, high efficiency. Cycle options, eco. Controls type, push button. Access location, top load. Included components, cover. Specification met, Energy Star. Fully automatic operation and large capacity design. Set the wash spin program and let the machine do the rest, freeing your hands. Its stainless steel honeycomb inner tub can wash up to 15.6 pounds of laundry, suitable for a family of 3 to 4 members. Multifunctional control panel and LED display, equipped with 10 washing programs and 8 water level selections. The LED display provides a clear view of the laundry time, and child lock ensures the machine's safe operation. easy to operate. After setting the corresponding wash program, the whole process of washing, drying, and draining can be completed individually. The washing machine has a drain to allow you to drain the dirty water easily.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.